Hi everyone, here we have the Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner. This is an excellent vacuum. It turns excellent. It's very impressive how it moves and stuff. It does bump into things, but it doesn't cause any damage to itself or to the item that it bumps into because it's a pretty light little tap, really. It comes with these side brushes, these little excellent bristles right here. It doesn't come with them installed in the unit, but to put them in, it's pretty simple. It's got this omnidirectional wheel, which is great. It's got a sensor here, here, and one right here. And so the sensors are great. It's got these wheels with some really excellent suspension. It's got the vacuum brush right here. It's got the back port, back cartridge area that detracts. And if you open up this part, this is the filter. This is where any gunk or goo or any dust, anything you want to filter out, take this out, and you can just put it in the garbage or in a garbage bag. You can clean the filter and put it back in. You can seal this back up. And around here on this area also, you can fill it full of water too, so that it can mop. It's got a mopping feature. It has a mopping feature, a broom feature, and of course the vacuum feature. To put it back in, press it down. It doesn't really click, but it just goes in and out pretty smoothly. So that's quite nice. The top part, you got the power button right here. You got to hold down on that for a second, and then it starts, and it's got a home button. So if it's out doing its thing, you could just directly press the home button and it will go directly to the charging station. It will dock with it. So yeah, this vacuum works excellent. So this is the charging station that comes with this vacuum. So the robot will dock right here. It won't go all the way in, but it'll dock. And once this light's on, that means it's charging. It's just a simple plug-in right there. And this is very lightweight. This is really quite nice. And not that big either. Another favorite accessory that the vacuum has is the remote control. So you press this, that'll send it back to the charging station or to home. You press this, and this will map out the entire room that it's circulating, the area. So it can go back and re-vacuum it again and again. This is the directional button if you want to go forward, backwards, or left or right. Stop and start right here in the middle button. This button here will program it, tell it to clean the edge of something. This is one of my favorite features right here, is spot cleaning, where the vacuum will turn around again and again and it will vacuum, and it's really quite impressive when it turns. This here is the mop feature. So if you have a floor or anything, you can just press this, water will come out, and this is how powerful you want the suction to be. So it's got normal, then it goes to powerful, and also you can also control the vacuum through the app. The instruction booklet and the quick guide will have a QR code you can just download, and you can open up an app, and with the app you will get excellent control over the vacuum, plus many more options. Another great feature the vacuum has, or accessory I should say, is this brush. So this is great for cleaning the sensors right here. This is great for cleaning the actual vacuum brush bar if you've got to pick anything out. Yeah, so the brush. And the brush is also great for cleaning out the filter that I showed earlier. All right, so it comes with a quick startup guide and instruction booklet. Go through it, it's not that long, and you can be up and running with the vacuum in no time. Okay, now let's go try this vacuum out. It's excellent. So we're gonna try the vacuum out. Any wires or anything that would block it, even kind of like say a carpet that's folded or any kind of lumpy carpet might block it, but we'll see. And wires, definitely you want to make sure anything stringy that you want to make sure. All right, so press that one. So as you can see, it goes quite smoothly. Let's try spot. It turns. Really quite excellent. Apple spot. turn it a little bit. You gotta just get used to the directional part, which is a little tricky, but all in all, this is an excellent vacuum. Let's see if we make it turn around. Love how it turns. Now this is the forward button. I wanted to go back, press the back button. Now let it go forward. So I have full control over it in the app. I want it to come back towards me. I'm going to send it back to the home. Press the home button. Let's see if I can find the home. Give it a little bit of a hand here. All in all, it does a really good job of vacuuming, which is really quite nice. There's the charging station. It's going to dock with it. Overall, it's an excellent vacuum. Okay, great. Thanks, everybody.
Hey guys, today I'm doing a quick review of the Airzeen robot vacuum cleaner. Great addition for your rooms in your house. This one, I have it on my hallway here. So it's just to make sure that it cleans pretty much everything in that area. So I'll give you a quick view of how it works and what comes with it. As you can see, the box brings instruction manual, a quick manual. It does have 2 additional brushes, which is a big plus, an additional filter, which is good. Most of the other ones, and a cleaning brushes there as well. Sorry, some of this stuff is just additional items that came to protect the packaging. But yeah, it pretty much brings additional items that you can use in the future, so it will last you a long time. Here's a quick view of our cleaning protection. I apologize for the background noise. My dogs are reacting to the vacuum, but I love the fact that she goes around and clean everything very nicely. And as you can see, she is getting closer and closer my way. Once she did clean that, so continue. I have used it 3 times already, and it does a better job than other ones that I have had in the past, because this one kind of like goes over the spots more frequently, so you can get a better cleaning. So it's highly recommended. Here's a video. She's going returning back to the base. As you can see, I have a remote control, and that makes things so easy. Here's my little boy. And she found it super quick. So now she goes back in and charges herself. And all you need to do is basically just clean off the dust that she collected. Other than that, great vacuum, very affordable. I highly recommend it. Guys, give it a try.
Hey guys, this is Airzeen R7 robot vacuum, and I've been using it since quite a few months now. Really good machine, best bang for your buck. This version does not support the mop, but I guess for that you have to go with their another model, which is J10. But honestly speaking, I usually use it for vacuuming my carpet, which it works really well. So yeah, if you're looking for a budget robot vacuum, this is one of the best bang for the buck, and it does come with a remote as well as it has app. It doesn't have the lidar um, the mapping, but it does have a collision prevention, or the sensors where when it hits it was just gonna move around. So just a demo. So this turns it on, and now it's ready to roll, as you can see. So as a demo, you see it's trying to feel the surface and act accordingly. So yeah, best bang for your buck.
I just wanted to talk about the Airzeen robot vacuum that we bought. This has been an incredible addition to our household. So it's great at going around objects. It can tell when the floor is changing, so you don't have to worry about it moving. That is my golden retriever, and he is the reason that we bought this vacuum, because it just helps us keep up in between the bigger cleans. It's great at picking things up off the floor. It's easy to use, obviously. It's a button. It also comes with something that's compatible with your phone, so you can set it and leave it. And it's just been awesome for helping us in between the bigger cleans to keep our house manageable with this guy.